I dropped some gems too. All right. So I gotta repeat that. So I'm sorry, y'all. We had some recording issues. So yeah, I just want to let y'all know you're in a downtrend. A downtrend is lower highs, lower lows. So that means you want to enter at lower high points. An uptrend is higher highs and higher lows. So an uptrend, you want to buy at higher low points, right? As y'all can see, this is going up right now. I'm super excited. Now, this is not the time to enter. I'll tell y'all why. It's going up. Y'all probably like, bro, call it now. Like, no, this ain't the time. You don't want to enter buys at high points, and you don't want to enter sales at low points. Remember that too. Please. Please. Like, write that down. You do not want to enter buys at high points. Like, what could happen right now if I call this buy right here? Y'all buy GJ. It's going to hit. It's going to go down. It could go down, right? You're like, dang, AJ, what happened?
Right.
You feel me? Mm-hmm. So, if y'all look at the fifth, let me go back. So, look at the M15. This H1 was a downtrend. And matter of fact, before I go on, can y'all drop some ones in the chat if that makes sense? Ebony, can you give me a 1 if that makes sense? Yo, I cannot. Yo, fam, it is funny over here. All right. Thank you, Bruce. Thank you, Ty. You know one, Leah. Oh, no, you're busy. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
No, but I get you.
All right. Your mom's first name is Stephanie.
Yes.
Miss Stephanie, thank you. Greg, appreciate. Oh, what's up, Greg? I didn't even see you come in. Your mom's on here? Our parents are here tonight. I see y'all later. Miss Jolie, thank you. Miss McNeil, your daughter's over here preparing lovely food. Olivia is over here preparing lovely food.
Greg, my brother. Oh. Yes, Greg.
Okay. All right. So if you look, y'all, the lower time frames make up the higher time frames, right? So if y'all look, this is the C point, and this was the D point. But this is that broken down on the M15 time frame. So if y'all look, y'all can see how. Oh, how you doing, Miss Ross? Miss Ross, just go home. That same Miss Ross.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Miss Ross, you made it. Let's get it. I'm talking about harmonic scanners just for you. So look, M15, as y'all can see, lower highs and lower lows start to get made, right? So this obviously wasn't a buy market at this point, but y'all can see we're going up. Now, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm looking for this buy. I don't want to buy it yet because what could happen is that it could come up here and make this is a lower low point. This is the last lower high point, right? Lower high, lower low. And it broke support right here. Let me plot that.
Right here.
Okay.
Oh. No. I'll say you have some.
Hey, Miss Rosalind. All right, so so got a break of support right here. Trying to find my line. Okay. So what could happen? This is why I don't just go in the harmonic scanner and just like throw numbers on my MetaTrader 4, because I did that before and it didn't work out in the past, right? So look, what I need to see is a higher low get formed or a double bottom get formed plus or
you're talking to people that don't know.
Oh, lingo. I gotta get better at that. I'm sorry. All right. Double bottoms. Okay, let me show you an example of a double bottom. Before I do this, all right? I don't know if I have one. Okay, I can show y'all a double top. So this right here, at this level right here, would be actually a triple top, right? You got a resistance point, come back up, double top, go down, come back up, triple top. So that's gonna look like the same thing as support levels. Like if this was to come down, in fact, let me draw some stuff real quick. If price was to do this, it's right here right now, right? For those who don't know what a double bottom is, if price was to come back down here, find support here or here, it would be considered a double bottom. And double bottoms are indicators to buy. Double tops are indicators to sell.
It's like a W, right?
Yes, double bottoms. Yeah, so
It's a double top.
yeah, so double bottoms look like this. Price went down. Price came up. Price came back down. Found support here. It's fine. It's fine, Miss Rosalind. It's okay. And then we go up, right? Double bottom.
You said double tops are indicators to sell?
Yes. And double bottoms are indicators to buy.
And double bottoms like a W?
Yes. You see my pretty W right here? You know, I got like a C and R. C minus.
Can you take that drag and show what that looks like actually with the wicks? Like, we can find them at the bottom.
All right.
What is the name of this meeting?
Oh, got one. So this is a double bottom, right? Boom. Thank you, Andrew. So look, I'll make this bold for y'all, just so y'all know what a double bottom is, right? Price came from here to here, found support, came back up, found resistance. Make this in red, because my candles are already blue. All right, take this off. I marked this up months ago. Then we came down, and as y'all see how price never broke this area, right? Bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. Found support down here, and then took off. So that's an example. Double
bearish or bullish?
Bearish, bullish.
Yes.
So all right, Ebony asked a great question. What do you mean by bearish, bullish? All right, so bearish, bullish. If you have a bearish candle, you have a bullish candle that follows it immediately, that's support.
Wait, no, you're asking what is a bearish candle? Yes.
A bearish candle is a candle that goes down.
This is your sell.
So my yellow candles,
okay,
right? See how my blue candles drive price up?
Oh, okay.
See what I'm saying? And then blue, yellow, bullish, bearish is resistance, right? So that's a double bottom. Boom, boom, up, right? So let's go back to what I need to see, right? So, yeah, so if I'm looking for this buy on GPY, I'm looking to enter on the lower time frames, but I need to see a higher low or, and this is a higher low.
Thank you, Adrian. Thank you.
And fine. This is what a higher low looks like, y'all. See price do this low, this high, this low, higher than this low, right? This is what an uptrend look like in a perfect world. Sometimes it looks a little bit more raggedy than that, but in a perfect world, you want this to happen. Higher low, higher high, right? Lower highs and lower lows, downtrend. So you want to enter in a downtrend right here at this point. Like these are the points in the market y'all want to enter at on those lower time frames. Y'all already doing y'all analysis on the higher time frames. So on the downtrend, these are the points where CAD in what? Is it it's still in the buy tie or is it in the sell? I bet. I'm sure it's in the sale because it ran up and smashed all the Mike's take profits. So I'm sure that it's about that time for a correction. Right, bam. All right, boom. I'm gonna go look at it. But remember, y'all, these are the like prime areas if you're on a buy or uptrend, you want to sell at these higher low points. If you in a sell or in a downtrend structure, you want to sell at these points. All right. Let's go look at CAD real quick though. Hold on, Tom. Matter of fact, let me do this real quick, Tom. I just wanted to show y'all why I think GJ is going to be a good buy. So GJ was running down. And on the M5, I couldn't really see it on the M15, but on the M5, if y'all look, got a lower high point, but then we got our first higher low point on the M5. Now, I'm mad because if I was looking at this 20, 30 minutes ago, I would have ended right here, like right now. After this bullish engulfing, I know, Andrew, I know I'm going to break it down. After this bullish engulfing candle happened.
Oh, I can see that.
Yeah, my bad.
Bullish means a buy candle.
Yeah, bullish means price went up. Bearish means price went down.
Bullish.
Yeah.
It's the blue candle.
Yes.
Wait, whoa. So it can look different on different charts, right? Absolutely.
Oh, yeah, you can.
Bearish is the sell.
Yeah, that's just my setup. You can jazz up your chart however you want to.
Oh,
I just use yellow and blue. Profit blue. You know, I use profit blue and yellow. So yeah. So we got our first higher low point with a bullish engulfing candle. Now, engulfing candle can be bullish or bearish, but in uptrends, you want to see bullish ones. In downtrends, show y'all real quick, you want to see bearish ones. Like right here. This would be the example. It was still in a downtrend at this point. So this right here would have been an example of a bearish engulfing. It engulfed the previous it engulfed the previous bullish candle, and it's at a resistance area.
All right, so say that one more time.
What?
So,
what I just said?
Yep.
All right.
So why is that a bearish engulfing candle? Just like that one right there.
This one right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Let's confirm.
1 second.
Just repeat what you said so people can actually get it.
Bet. Right here. Highlight it. This right here is what we call this 1, 2 right here. So y'all remember I said bullish, bearish is resistance, right? But when you see bullish, bearish, and you get an engulfing that engulfs the candle, meaning it closes below the bullish candle, good indicator to sell this. And we're in a downtrend at this point. This was like 6 hours ago, right? Come over here. The Carmona scanner is already telling us to buy, which means that it's probably oversold. That's another topic for another day. And we got a higher low point, like, right? So it gave us a lower high point on the downtrend at this point, but it gave us a lower high point. And then it found support and gave me a bullish engulfing at a support level, bearish, bullish, right? This candle engulfed this bearish candle, right? And you got, I don't know if you guys really know what exhaustion is and stuff like that, but got a lot of sellers exhaustion down here with these wicks. Great indicator to buy. I would have literally bought this as soon as this candle closed. Like as soon as this candle closed, like I would have bought this if I was looking at my chart. And then you only had like, if you'd enter right here, you would have had to deal with 2.5 pips to draw down. The rest would have been profit, right? Boom. So actually, a little pre-signal, a little pre-sig for y'all. Y'all might want to keep looking at this on the M5 and on the M15. What I'm looking for is this. I'm gonna go to AutoCAD after this time. I'm looking for this to happen somewhere. So in between, wherever this finds a resistance, it has to find resistance somewhere up here. So I don't know if it's gonna be here or up here somewhere. Between here and here, it has to find resistance. So I'm looking for resistance to be found somewhere up here in the future, and a rundown to make a higher low. And I want to see a bullish engulfing happen down here somewhere. And as soon as that closes, we'll buy it up. We don't want to buy right now because this could potentially make, I don't know. We don't know when the market's going to make resistance and support. You know what I'm saying? So we just got to wait for candles to give us more data. On the M5.
Can I make a pause?
Yes. Yes.
Happening. What he's saying is not making sense to me. Yes. And no.
Okay.
But
break it down. What you need?
You get exhaustion.
That ain't even important right now. That ain't even. I just want to make sure she. Yeah. What you need?
No, I got it when you were talking about like the engulfing part.
Okay.
Probably more so. Well, I guess I'm looking more so like in the time frames. Is that important? I would assume it is.
Yes.
Like 5 minutes.
No, it's
okay.
It's important just knowing that if you have an H1, a harmonic scanner that's being called on the H1.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like this, right? If you get an H1 harmonic scan.
Wait, that's my hour. Yep. Okay.
Right?
And what pair is that?
GBPJPY.
Yeah, I'm on that.
If you get an H.
Miss Roslyn, can you go to GBPJPY on your harmonic scanner so we can all be on the same page together? In FX choice, because I was at Trader's Way at first. Let's do, can you go back to your harmonic scanner?
Yeah, so FX choice. What happened? Oh, okay. Oh, y'all. Try to kick me out. Okay. Uh-oh. First one of the day. Uh-oh. Hey, nah, we've been killing all night. Come on now. Here we go. All right, bet we back. All right, so H1 FX choice, y'all. For those who just tapped in, I don't know who's just got on or whatever, because I'm not looking at the participants, but GBPJPY FX choice Gartley. That's what we're looking at. So, about to answer Ebony's question. So, Ebony.
Okay, wait.
What's up?
How did you get to that?
To what?
To what you want? Traders.
Trading view.
Oh, okay. Miss Ebony, Miss Robin, go to your favorites. Your website is tradersview.com. You saved it.
Tradingview.com.
Tradingview.com.
You said Traders View. I had to say it. No food good. It's all good. GB. Yeah, Andrea is like going in right now, y'all.
It's lettuce, okay?
It's lettuce. GBP, JPY. So y'all need to have a harmonic scanner and GBP, JPY on the H1 chart on y'all's trading view. If you have that up, throw one in the chat.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, Jeremy.
I'm getting reps up, man. Hey, who on here? Let me welcome the folks. What's good, AJ? I ain't holla at the new people that got on. Kat, Shay, what's happening? I'll be sounding super ratchet. That's a fact. High energy, high income. Let's go. Who's human resources? Who's HR? Yo, we got HR at GTI? What? Oh, Miss Roslyn. All right. Woo! Lion, hey, all right. Mello ain't tell me we had that department. All right, cool. Why GJ not found Hugo's way? It should be, Bruce. Hugo's way. I have Hugo's way, Bruce. It should be. It should be in there. That's my broker.
Yeah, definitely is.
I use that. Oh, nah, Miss Roslyn, you good. Kind of make me nervous, though. They ain't tell me we had HR. I was like, whoa. We get big time. Oh, okay. That's probably it, Liv. Boom. Bruce, I'm sorry. You meant why is Hugo's weight not found in the harmonic scanner under Hugo's weight?
Or JG.
Or GJ. Okay. I can't. I don't know. I don't know.
You can take it to it on your harmonic scanner so you can see where it is.
But do you see it under FX Choice though? Okay, so even if you don't use FX Choice, like these are brokers, y'all. Like FX Choice, UBE, Forex, Hugo's Way, JAFX, Traders Way, XM.com. Like, even though you don't use one of those brokers, like you can still use it on the scanner. The only thing that's important is about the pair and how it moves. I don't know. I don't really have the correct answer as to why they do certain pairs with certain brokers, but I'm sure it's probably a spread thing too.
Because they extra.
Yeah, it's probably a spread thing. But the most important thing is going to the pair and picking up what the scanner says the pair is going. Because the pair is going to move in that direction regardless of what broker y'all got, right? So, FX Choice, GPJPY. All right. Cool. Cool. Good. All right. So, was I done with GPJPY? No. Oh, I was answering your question, right? All right. So, H1. This was the C point. Matter of fact.
Okay. I know.
So on that scanner, if y'all look, this right here was the C point. That's the high it was at. This right here at the bottom, this was the D point, ebony. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So the scanner's telling you to buy right here at my red oval, right? From here down here on your lower time frames, it's probably gonna look like a more detailed version of a downtrend, right? So you want to go to your if the scanner is telling you to buy right here, and this is giving you downtrend structure. In order for us to buy and have a comfortable buy, we need to see a change in structure on the smaller time frames.
Okay.
That makes sense?
Yes.
So we need to see. That's why I said in order when I'm using the scanner and buys, I'm looking to see double, boom.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm looking to see on the M15, the M5, or the M3, like, because what can happen right here, like I was saying, we could see like a bearish candle happen some here because it's gonna make support somewhere. The market moves in waves, moves up.
You know what support is?
Or resistance. I mean, did I say support?
No, I think you said support, but I think you said right
now. No, I said exhaustion.
Oh, okay.
Exhaustion.
You
need support and resistance.
Okay. Yeah, we need to understand.
You need to understand support and resistance.
Okay. Yeah.
No, Bruce, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. I'm giving y'all my strategy and how I use the harmonic scanner. Sometimes you, like right now, if you took that entry, bro, you lit. Like, if you took that entry, you up like 40 bips right now. So I'm not saying that. I just like to, I know how the market moves, so I like to, like, I want to see a retest on the M15. Or you could have did, like I said, on the M5. Like, look on the M5. You could have entered right here. Right? At, what is this? Make this thinner.
You can do all this on your tradingview.com.
Yeah.
How these marking things up. Yeah.
Yeah, TradingView is my favorite website. So as soon as that candle closed, Bruce, you could enter right here. And I mean, that was solidified, like all the energy drawdown. That's just how I like to do it. And it broke resistance. Like this is, I'm showing you, like, this is a resistance point. That's another indicator that, okay, GJ is probably getting ready to make bullish movement. Be confident in that too, because you got the scanner to back you up. Scanner's like 87% accurate to at least get to take profit one, right? So Take this line off. I'm gonna keep this shaded so y'all know that's engulfing. But price broke resistance. Y'all know the resistance is the ceiling, support is the floor. So it came up and found the ceiling. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Came down, bearish, bullish. Engulfing, higher low, this low, low point, higher than this low. Busted through the previous lower high point or resistance. So it broke resistance. Who in the chat or in the room has ever heard of break and retest? One. Can I get ones if you've heard of the term break and retest? Cat, tie, boom. Let me get some more ones. Hey, thank you, Greg. Let me get some more ones. Who done heard of break and retest? Is anybody new got on? All right. So all right. So look, let me show y'all. Yo, don't do that. Yo, fam. So I'm gonna show y'all, right? Yes. Now, what is a retest? Many lessons inside of our lesson today. Wait. Oh, okay. Got it. Okay, cool. Right. So what is a retest? A retest, what I used to, like when I first started trading, I used to think that a retest had to literally come down here. Like let's say in this situation, price broke resistance right here, right? I used to think that price should
wait, whoa. Did it? Price broke resistance, right? Yeah. How do we know that price broke resistance?
That's why all right, Andrea the MVP. Andrea keeps me on point. All right, I be going on tangents and I'll be forgetting about stuff. So look, how do we know that price broke resistance? All right, so this red line right here is my resistance line. How did I plot that? Y'all see these wicks? I'll make this bigger for y'all and Ebony. See these wicks, Ebony? See them? I bet. So I pick a central point. Meaning, I pick a point out of these three wicks that touches all three. Like, so my line needs to touch all three of these. So I picked the shorter one, right? Make sense? See how, like, this line touches all three of those wicks? Goes over.
Okay.
Boom, yes. Boom, boom, right? So, price found resistance right here. Came down there, made a higher low. Yes, I would buy right here after this candle would close. Then it came up and it tested resistance again. What does a test mean? Test means that you got a bullish bearish right here. I'm talking about before this was made. Bullish bearish. But then this candle actually broke above the resistance line, right? The confirmed break of resistance was when this candle right here was bullish as well. So if this candle, I'm gonna show y'all something, because that's key too. Thank you, Andrea, for keeping me on point. Let's say this candle would have did this. Hold on. Let's say this candle slid right beside this bullish candle and closed like this, bearish, right? Then we still at a resistance level. Resistance never got closed. Wait, it would be like this. It would be like this, right? It's tested candles that test the resistance. But if you see a bullish candle bust through a resistance line or resistance area, and then another bullish candle, after that, you know you got a confirmed break of resistance. Same thing in support, vice versa, y'all. So, thank you. So, what I'm looking for, because we got a break. Oh, I was talking about break and retest. So I'm not gonna go back. That's fine. I was talking about. What is a retest? This is a retest. So I used to think that that's what I was talking about. So I used to think that a retest had to actually come back to the line of the area that it broke. And sometimes it does. Like I used to have, like in this case, I would think, okay, I got to wait until price comes all the way down here. Give me some bullish engulfing or variation and go up. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it goes below this. But all y'all need to know is that a retest is like right here. This right here is our resistance, right?
The black line.
The black line.
Okay.
Black line is our resistance.
And what is the red line? This is our support. Support. Or it's our floor. So it's the bottom.
Yeah, this is support, right?
The red is the red is talking about where it was in red now.
Yeah, I'm gonna type it out for you though. Hold on. Type it out for you. Support, right? Boom. And over here.
And why is it support?
Because why is it support? It's at the floor.
Important?
Oh, why is it important? Why is support important?
Yes.
Support is important because this is where prices now came down to, like it's came down now stalling here. It can't go no lower. Okay. So because the price has to go up. If it can't go down no more, it's like a floor. Go ball the floor. Right. Gotta come back up. You know what I'm saying? Boom. So, so right here, I'm gonna do both examples. Support. Right here, right. And then we got resistance. Boom. All right. So, obviously, price came up, low to high, high or low, broke resistance, right? It's our resistance, right? A resistance, a higher low, no, wrong terminology. A retest, y'all, is literally, if I can get, Ebony, might be technical difficulty number 2. Jesus. Oh, God. All right, never mind. We're good. We're good. Oh, God. Woo, Liv. Make me nervous. All right, so a retest is literally a higher low point, right? It doesn't have to do this. That's the perfect retest, right? Price come here and go up. That's the perfect retest. Like in a perfect world, you got resistance, price broke resistance, became support. You got a buy to the moon, right? That's perfect though. Sometimes the retest might look like this though. And I lost out on a lot of pips, bro, back in the day, which is only like a year or two ago. Like waiting on the perfect retest, right? Sometimes price might do this. Might come down right here. Boom. Retest. Higher low point. Up. We gone, right? So if y'all can jot that down, your retest are your higher low points. So your retracements are your, like in this case in the uptrend, down to a high low point. That's your retest. Doesn't have to.
You take your higher lows just real quick. Do you know what higher lows are?
You want me to plot that too?
Yeah, it's just a quick AJ.
All right, hold on.
Yeah.
All right, hold on a second, y'all.
Higher lows and lower highs.
Bet.
Lower highs. You sell it. You sell at the points, but you know where they are. I think, yeah, so if he did something.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you right. I'm gonna get you right. All right. Yes, this is recorded. Shout out to Liv, because she reminded me.
Liv.
It's not the most dazzling lines in the world, but good deal. That's a helpful tip. Boom. Oh yeah, Kat, I got you. I bet. So, hold on. So look. Y'all know this resistance. It's a high, right? Now y'all see why I say you don't want to buy at a high and sell at a low. Watch where you at and structure at all times. You know what I'm saying? Like you buy here, yeah, it might get here, but look what you got to sit through though. You know what I'm saying? You got to sit through all of that drawdown. And your bias is right. It ain't even like you're wrong. But let's say that you in it right here and you was like, yo, fam, I'm feeling it today. I'm about to put up, I got $200 in my account. I'm about to throw like a 0.5. And then you get hit with this drawdown. You're like, fam, what? You ain't wrong. Your entry was just bad. Feel me? Like, so that's why I say make sure y'all always waiting for the retest or the higher low or the lower high before you enter. Right? So it's like y'all a little tidbit. Higher low. Now look, y'all, higher low is gonna be HL. I ain't gonna type that out. Y'all know. Y'all know what. Is that too small, Ebony? Hold on, I got you. Don't worry about it.
I can see.
I got you. All right. All right, little H. Yo, fam, my energy different. I told you, my energy is different. All right, higher high. Ebony, this makes sense.
Yes.
Okay, high low. Right. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all, this is a little bit more, like what I'm about to say is a little bit more advanced because price doesn't always move this perfect either. Like, but I ain't gonna like go too hard today because sometimes I ain't gonna do that. All right, anyway. So over here. Oh no, wait. All right. Low. There you go, Ebony. Lower high.
That makes sense, right?
Right.
That terminology is all the same thing.
Lower low. Lower high. Right. All right. So these higher low points and these lower high points, even if I stretch this out, like this is a retest, even though it like didn't like perfectly hit this past support line. If it breaks support and becomes resistance and gives you a lower high, perfect lower high point for a sell down. Because in a downtrend, y'all, yeah, Ty, I know, but see, this is the thing, Ty. I'm on a different laptop tonight. And see, on my laptop, I be doing that. Different laptop tonight, and I ain't trying to mess nothing up because right now the vibes is real strong right now. So I'm just trying to think of what I know, right? Yeah, so your lower high points, your retest, higher low points in the buy retest. Oh, down uptrend. So look, this is why you buy higher lows. Because in an uptrend, you know that structure, a higher low, in an uptrend, you have to have higher lows and higher highs. So if you buy at the higher low point, if your analysis is good, you know that price has to at least get here and break this for a continued uptrend. If you're selling, you sell right here, you know, all right, especially if this is like an H4 lower high or a daily lower high, like you know, all right, price got to get down here. It might take a minute, but price got to get down here.
That being the sell, this would be a buy?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so you're going to buy here. Hold on. Yeah. So look, buy.
That's good. So you have to teach everybody, you know?
So yeah, you want to buy at the high lows, sell at the lower highs, right? Boom. Y'all can take a picture of that. Y'all want to screenshot it, do whatever you need to do. I'm gonna keep that up for a little bit. But yeah, you want to sell here. Downtrend, you know it got to make a lower low. So the way I do it, if I sell right here, I always try to have at least like minimum 2 take profits. Like if I sell here, my first take profit it's gonna be this previous support. All right. Second take profit is anywhere lower than this support level. I use Fibonacci, but I know I got some new folks on here, and that's an actual Fibonacci ratio that I use for my take profit too. But I ain't gonna pull that out, right?
Video coming soon.
You got it. Yeah, facts. Fibonacci video coming soon. Oh, you got it. Yeah. I bet. So, y'all drop some questions in the chat. Y'all drop a one in the chat if that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, drop a question.
Question mark?
Ask a question. Yeah. Thank you, Miss McGill. Shout out to the people on here that are making life easy. I got people over here making life mad difficult. Bet. Yo, look, listen. All right, so right now, GJ, we still waiting on that retest because I am probably going to buy this.
Okay, you need to drop. That's it. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm going to buy this. This looks very enticing. And as y'all can see, it's playing with, like, right here. Y'all look. Y'all see these wicks? It's getting to be a lot of wicks up here, ain't it? And this candle's going down. We're going to see if this closes.
The wicks are the skinny lines coming.
Yeah, the wicks are these lines.
Yeah.
So if you have a candle, let's do some candle. Show what a candle. So look, bullish candle goes up in price. This is where it opened. This is where it closed. This is the highest it went in that time period of 5 minutes. And this is the lowest it went. But these little lines, y'all, are what we call wicks. The shaded part is the body of the candle. See what I'm saying? So, y'all, right now we're getting resistance. Is getting like, this is resistance. This is new resistance. I feel like this is definitely probably going to close bearish, right? So we're going to get, calm down.
And you put the resistance where exactly?
Okay, so you see see this wick? My bad. I forgot who I was talking to. Oh, dang, I'm glad I did because that wasn't perfect. All right, boom. Oh, wait, no. Boom. So the central point to keep it hot. No, I'll allow it again. Why did I do that? I just gave you the answer 10 minutes ago. I know I've been saying a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll say it again.
No, everybody can figure something. Why? That's the question.
So, y'all, Ebony asked me why.
Because I don't think I asked before.
Ebony asked me why did I plot that resistance at that particular area.
I don't think I asked anything about resistance.
There's a wick right here. 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 And bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. So this is like, I would have marked it right here because this shows me resistance level. It's a resistance level, right? But this is the central point to all my wicks. So I would plot this out and just, like, I would have plotted this out after this one was made. And then just drew it out. You see how I drew it out? You see how price is respecting it? Like, price hasn't broke resistance yet. Like, it's going down, right? That's why I said you want to wait for the, oh, see what I'm saying? Like, so what's about to happen, y'all? Price is about to come down. So I'm going to keep this up, but this might happen right here. Price going to come down somewhere in here before it comes, maybe, never know. But price has to come down. Price has to come down before it goes back up. You know what I'm saying? Like, price has to come down before it goes back up. Price has to go up. In a downtrend, price has to go up before it comes back down. Look what I just drew for y'all. Price got to come down to go back up. That's how the market moves. Price has to come down to go back up. Price has to go up to come back down, right? This is what's happening down here, just a lower time frame. But our bias is buy. Our bias is bullish. So we're looking for a higher low. Right now we at a high. We at a high. Low, high.
Oh.
Right? low, high.
Yep.
So I need a higher low. Hopefully I get one of these again. And then we take it up. Now, on the scanner, to take profit, bruh.
Did you click remember me?
No, it's not my laptop. They don't need to remember me.
That is right.
This ain't that type of party. After I log out tonight, we gone. You know what I'm saying? All right, boom. Log in. God, yo. FX choice, man. Gartley. GBP. JBY. All right. So take profit 1 is 140.34. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm taking this tonight. Y'all just let y'all know.
Okay.
That's what I'm here for, Cat. That's what I'm here for. All Cat. Oh, Ty. Hold on. Ty. Let me get Ty right. So y'all, we're gonna keep this in the background. We're gonna watch this. If I see what I need to see, I'm gonna tell y'all to buy it. Use proper risk management. I'm not responsible for nobody blowing their account. I'm letting y'all know that now. Hey. Whoa. All right, now, hold on, y'all. This is the trade that I'm actually in right now. EJ. Euro JPY.
Dang, let's go.
For those who, are in it, or, if you want to go to it on your trading views, Euro, EUR JPY. Now, I'm going to tell y'all, I'm in a sale, and I sold it right here. My first entry, I have 2 entries on it. My first entry was somewhere in here. I got on this wick. I got it on this wick. Like right here, somewhere in here, this green line to make it black. I sold it like somewhere in there. And then I re-entered right here. Literally after this candle was closed. So these are AJ's 2 entries on Euro JPY. And my target is eventually this 119.40. I'm gonna try to hold it for that. I think it's gonna get down there. All right, boom. That's my target. In fact, let me go ahead and plot that. Target or take profit. Hold it, right? Why? Well, hold on. Before I do that, hold on. I gotta make sure I ain't missing the entry. So, all right. So, what had happened was price. Let me take my entries off. It's gonna make it messy. It's not really important, y'all. Look at this, y'all. On a horizontal array. Yep, boom. All right. This is what happened. I actually ended this morning too. So I've been in this trade for like almost 10 hours. So what happened was this was my support area I saw. It was the sale. Now I saw, shout out to Olivia for giving me that trade idea that she put in there, because that actually made me look at this pair. Because y'all know, for those who don't know, my favorite pair is right here. All USD, but we ain't gonna look at her. We just gonna keep her right here. But all USD wasn't doing nothing for me today. So I said, all right, I'm gonna go look at some of these GTI traders, right? So I looked Euro JPY, seen it was a sale. So I was like, all right, bet. So I trust whoever called that signal. So I'm just looking for entries on sales, right? I didn't want to enter. I think you dropped it yesterday, but I didn't want to enter yesterday on this sale because if y'all look, low, high, high, low, higher, high, right? And this is a support level. Ebony. See it? Okay. Oh, wait. No, this line is not crooked because this is a horizontal array. I didn't even make this line. I just plotted it. Yeah. So, boom. Price broke support. Y'all see that? Okay? Price came up. Now, I would plot. Normally, I wouldn't have did this. Fibonacci, we're going to go over it a little bit later on, like in life, you guys, but I'm not going to go over Fibonacci tonight. But this is actually like a 23-point. This is actually a 23.6 retracement. I know y'all don't know what that is. That's not even important. I'm just saying it. I'm just thinking out loud. But I saw this happen, and then I went down to the 15-minute. Saw this wick. I said, all right, let me go down a little bit more. Hold on. All right, boom. So I knew that the M30, on that M30, let me go back to the M30 so y'all know where I'm at, how I'm thinking right now. Right, so this right here, this support level on this blue line that I just drew was based on the M30. The only reason I haven't went back and showed, like, the signal was called for a sale. And I'm pretty sure that the signal was based off of somebody using higher time frame analysis. So me, I'm looking like, okay, if they're calling a signal for a sale, I need to go down to the lower time frames because I enter on. Hold on, let me write this out. I might need to screenshot this or take a picture of it. This is key. H1 and up. Matter of fact, H1 and up. So, matter of fact, nah. Actually, literally, no, it's actually like this. You should be doing it like this. All right. Enter on lower time frames. So when I say analyze, y'all, I mean like find your bias. Find what direction the market is trying to go into. And since y'all just took a picture of what, you know, an uptrend and a downtrend looks like, it shouldn't be hard, right? So I say, all right, so somebody ever called their signal, they were like calling like big pips out too, like 60 pips, take profit 1, 90 pips, take profit 2. So I'm like, all right, that was the higher time frame analysis, right? So I'm looking for the lower time frames. If it's a sale, I need the lower time frames to correlate with the sale. This action right here look like buy action, right? That's why if you entered yesterday, if you saw some drawdown, that doesn't mean the trade is bad. That just means you got to get a better entry, right? Price broke support, came down. Right? And then came down broke. I didn't really like that break because it looked like it was testing it. So I waited. Now I got a confirmed break. Now it's way below the support line. See that, everything? Right? Then we got our first lower high point, first real lower high point. And I actually entered, y'all, I took a risk. Y'all don't do this. Don't be like, AJ. I saw this when it spiked up. So this wick used to be that candle. I saw this when this happened, and then I saw it when it came down. But I knew that support had got broken over here too. I was like, oh. So I hit sale like right here. I was like, yo, man, it's gotta keep going down, right? And it kept going down. Found support, found resistance here. Bullish, bearish. Kept going down, right? So go back to them 30. Y'all see that became a key resistance area. See how that line, like it's not, price is not breaking above this line. The candles, don't forget about the wicks. Like, forget about the wicks. Like, forget about the wicks. The wicks will fake you out. Look at the bodies. Are the bodies breaking through the candle? Bullish, bearish. Low. Bullish, bearish. On break. Bullish, bearish. Resistance. Getting held. Drop. Bullish, bearish. Drop. Right? So, what you're looking for, what I'm looking for, because I'm going to re-enter again. This is what we call scaling in. I'm waiting on price to give me another.
Bullshit.
That too,
Okay.
but specific candle. Ty or anybody in the group, what candle pattern do y'all think I'm waiting on to re-enter this trade? Who be on here all the time? Who be on all the sessions? Ty should get this. Miss Jolie might can get this.
What? Where is that?
Tierra, you should get this.
Tierra definitely. Miss Jolie's swearing.
What kind though? Oh, what kind? So a bearish variation or what though? Because it's two. No. I'm trying to sell it. I'm trying to sell it, Ty.
Or a bearish what?
Hold on. There you go. But a bearish variation or a bearish.
What?
Boom! Thank you, Cat.
Oh, Cat! We sleeping on Cat. Cat got it.
Shout out to Cat. Shout out to Cat. Hey.
And you go. Oh, yeah.
Right. So look, like you see the M30 right now, it's like going up, right? I want to say right. Let's get retraced. That bearish engulfing is going to confirm that it's going down. Right? Now. Facts. Good job. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting on EJ. Now it's gonna odd CAD for Ty. Ty been waiting on odd CAD.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not good. It's not ready. It's not ready yet.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
GBP Jackson ain't ready yet. Nah, it's not.
Well, I'm in. Wait, no. That's EJ.
Oh, I'm about to say you in that too. Grab the positions you got over there.
About 6.
On your live. I like Andrea. Her energy crazy. She got 6 positions. We're gonna talk off mic. She got 6 positions in right now. God. All right. Odd CAD. So you in odd CAD for a sale? Ty, can you tell me what? Ooh.
Oh snap! You gotta make some money, Ty.
Hey, what scan is that, Ty? What scan is that? What time frame is they calling it on? What?
15 minute.
It's an M15, so it's a scalp.
Yep.
So for those who don't know what a scalp is a long-term trade. I mean, short-term. Oh, God.
Good turn.
Scalp is a short-term trade. Scalp is a short-term trade. Scalping is short-term. Jesus Christ. Not long-term. Okay. It's a sharp pattern. Okay, boom. So I like the max. Oh, yes, indeed.
Wow.
Yes, indeed.
Oh wow.
Yes, indeed. All right, boom. I get it.
So we need to enter this.
Nah, hold on, man. Hold on now. Wait a minute. Wait 1 minute. I just need to see how far it is to take profit 1. All right, so right here we here.
It's like 40 pips right there.
And then we get a little freeze action. A little technical difficulty number 2A. Come on now. Yo, this, you feel me?
But look, you already have it right here. So,
all right, so look, 90. Oh, that's a nice M15.
Yes.
So it's from where it's at right now to take profit 1. It's about 23 pips. Take profit 2. Oh yeah, hold on. We need to look at this.
About 54 and then about 90.
Damn, I think you might have put me on some money tonight, Ty.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, indeed.
Yes. Cause that's a.
Hey, y'all, listen. If y'all in the group, if y'all listen, y'all might want to sell odd CAD
right now. Or no.
This is perfect. Matter of fact.
Okay.
Y'all think I ain't.
Let's load up.
So look, why? So look, this is your high low point. All right, this is all uptrend. I want to see transition, right? Got a high point. Now, if I plot my support right here, now look, it did test it. So I'm gonna let y'all know support didn't get broken yet. right? And honestly, bullish, bearish, bearish. Didn't engulf this candle. But then you came over here and you got bullish, bullish, and then a bearish. This could be a variation, but I'm going to tell y'all, I ain't going to hit sell yet, but I'm going to show y'all. Okay, so on the M5, this is what you got. High, low, lower, high, area, resistance. So as long as, I should have said this too, y'all. And downtrends, y'all, like, I'm going to show y'all something. Sometimes price going to do this to y'all. Price going to do this. A lot of people get scared by this. Lower, high, high or low, right? And a downtrend. Y'all let me know if y'all need me to type this out too, what I'm about to say. And a downtrend, that's true, it is recorded. So as long as,
That's perfect.
as long as lower highs get maintained, even if it makes a higher low, as long as lower highs get maintained, meaning that price could come all the way back up here. If it don't break this resistance area up here and go down, it's still a valid downtrend, right? So it gave you a bullish. This right here is a doji. Y'all, new traders, dojis don't matter, okay? That's all you need to know about them. Some people say they're indecision. Dojis don't matter. When I see them, I act like they're not even there, right? Bullish, bearish, engulfing, right? Down. Now, right now, this candle got 2 more minutes. I want to see how this happens. But as long as this stays, price stays below this area, this sell is good, right? Let me see. I just want to see. This looks good, Ty. Yeah, this looks really good. Look at them 3 minute. Oh, y'all, so this is the M15 scan too. That's your charger.
Oh yeah.
Need that. So y'all like this, Ty? Ideally, honestly, I would have been sitting in drawdown right now, but that's fine because the market has to breathe. It would only been like 3 pips anyway. I think this is going to continue to go down.
Go down. Okay.
Yeah, definitely. Think it's going to continue to go down. All cat is overbought anyway. So that's actually a really good scan. I'm just going to wait for the candle that I want to see or the variation that I want to see before I enter it. Unless, now if Euro JPY 90569, oh, you got in early.
Oh, that's good stuff, Ty.
You got in up here?
Cause she got the freaking.
Oh, you entered as soon as you saw it on the scanner.
A little bit more spread out.
Nah, it's doing its thing.
Oh, okay. Cool.
But shout out to Olivia's laptop. Because right now mine would have did some funniness. Probably would have shut off and blew up. Blew up and started a whole fire drill.
Oh no.
Oh no. All right. I can't get. Hold on, y'all. I'm froze right now. I'm used to this though. I ain't bougie. Like, it'd be way worse with my laptop. We can deal with this. Yeah. Cancel. Yo, that made me feel so bad, bro.
It's okay.
You canceled the whole session because of AJ laptop. That's so trash, bro. Like, that's trash, bro. It happens. Shit, it's not supposed to happen.
What does that say?
And I had some confirmation, so I went for it. And the scan I used call it again. Oh yeah, it's lit then.
So in there.
Maybe I got too many. That's a MacBook.
You got a lot of windows up.
Yeah.
No, it's not that. It's the HDMI cord being connected to. Like it's gonna be great.
Oh,
It's
because
huge.
it's a lot of energy.
It's a lot of energy going to the computer. Yeah.
Y'all give me 1 second.
That's why my laptop doesn't respond to the HDMI cord. Or fine. When it's recording, that's another factor. Yeah. All those things make my
It's a lot of
laptop go.
it's a lot of bytes being used right now. Gotcha. All right. What time is it? Oh, 10:41.
I'm gonna ask Ronnie to copy this scanner. And we're gonna do take profit too.
All right, look. I need to refresh this.
I'm gonna ask him to copy this on her demo. Have to work out after the all cap, all. Yeah. And you can do it too. Just see how that experience.
Oh yeah, I see it. They call it on Traders Way and on FX Choice, Tom. Same chart pattern.
Okay.
Boom. All right, cool. So y'all, what I was saying was the scanner called, it's an M15, right? M15 scan. So, and when you're using a harmonic scanner, if you want to see that transition happen for, you know, in my strategy for the entry, you want to go down to like the M5 or the M3. I don't really use the M1 a lot. It's really, really, really super duper. I just don't like the M1 time frame. But I mean, maybe y'all might like it, but I just don't like it, right? So that's why I went to the M5. Yeah, you could have entered right here. It's a slight engulfing. It kind of matches it, but you could enter right here, like 90535. You'd be at break even right now.
It's an M5 right now.
Yeah, M5.
So after that, this candle closes in what? Is that 1 minute?
What? Oh yeah, this candle closes in 1 minute and 42 seconds. Yeah.
So then we should be able to get another lower high, right?
Yeah. Or just like a high. So if price comes like right here and comes back, let me show you. If price does this, that says my resistance point, right? Mm-hmm. So price comes here and like find support here. Yeah. It's just a high. Cool. But as long as low, like highs are being met, like a price break this, like a price break this though, then you know, keep up. Well, not necessarily, because if you go to the M15, like on the M15,
it's like clear.
Yeah, super. It's, you know what I'm saying? Like the higher the time frame, a little bit clearer it is, right? So it's your first lower high point right here. Mm-hmm. So I'm just wanting price to stay below here. I'm talking to you too. Well, obviously because you're on the call, but I was telling Andrea, as long as price doesn't close above here, I'm gonna jump in here with you.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump in with you 2 times, make all monies.
I'm gonna jump in here with you. This bullish candle on the M15 is. Okay, so. Yeah. So yeah, Ty, I'm just waiting on you know, bearish variation on engulfing before I jump in on that. If you want to, I don't know if you trade demo or live, but once you get another one, yeah. Rather, I mean, you can never go wrong taking profit. You know what I'm saying? But as long as price stay under here though, because this is the last M15. This line right here is like my M15 resistance. So as long as price stays below that, for sure, Ty, for sure. As long as price stays below that, closer below that, this is a good one. This is a really good one. I like this one a lot. Uh-oh. What time is it?
45.
All right, y'all. So everybody that's on the call, if y'all stay on with me till 11 o'clock, this candle right here, I'm going to give y'all a trade. Well, not really a trade because it's in a group, but I'm going to tell y'all the work where y'all can re-enter it.
What do you take profits?
So y'all might need to, we really got like 3 options, right? if this candle if this candle closes like this at 11 o'clock, it's the M30, I'm selling EJ. I got my retest. Lower high, lower low. If this right here, if this closes bearish and it's engulfing, this is now your new lower high. I'm selling this, right? GJ, let's look at GJ. Uh-oh, not yet, not yet, not yet. It's not ready, it's not ready, it's not ready, it's not ready. GJ, scanner called this one. So EJ is off the strength of the signal that was called in the group yesterday. GJ and RCAD are off the strength of the scanner, right? High, low, high, high. Gave you some support, but this isn't the engulfing. So Ebony, you need to hear this. Why would I not enter right now? I'm asking you, why would I not enter right now? Because this is a support level, right? Very support, right? Minor support, maybe, I don't know. It might be support, it might not be. But why wouldn't I enter right here though?
Because there's not another candidate, right?
Okay. Well, let me ask the question differently. What would I have needed to see to enter right here?
Another
I want to buy it. Okay, bearish bulls, you're right. But
okay.
Get more specific.
Okay, let's go.
So look though, right? I would need to see this engulf this candle.
Okay.
Right. So I need this. I would need to see this bullish candle close above this one, right? But it didn't.
Wait.
I need to see, like you said, this is a bullish candle.
Yes.
It's a bearish candle.
Okay.
I need this bullish candle body of this bullish candle to engulf this candle, right? So I needed to do what this did.
Okay.
Boom.
Okay.
Right? It didn't. Price keep going down, right?
Right.
Boom. So, or I would have needed to see another bullish candle. Because that's a variation. This one.
Oh,
this
the
one.
other bullish.
This bearish one.
Bearish.
Boom, right? So price still going down, so obviously we still retracing. So I want to see something like this on GBP JPY over here. Now, didn't I tell you I was gonna retest? I want to tell y'all friends about GTI, bro. We over here giving the jewels out. We calling it out. So, CAD. So, no, not yet. So, maybe though. If this, so Ty, I know you see it. If this candle closes below this candle right here, we are selling odd CAD. In 45 seconds, we will know. So in 45 seconds, if y'all want to sell odd CAD, only if this bearish candle engulfs this bullish candle. Right now it is. So if it closes like this, sell odd CAD. And the scanner is calling it. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and get ready. It's 22 seconds left. Hold on. Let me go ahead and sell this bad boy. Odd CAD. I'm going to give me a nice little position of odd CAD. Sell it. Sell it. Sell that. Sell that. Sell odd CAD. Go ahead. Get them pips. Y'all can go to the hard-minded scanner and pick y'all take profit out. You got 3 options. I would pick this one because this is the short shot. It's going down here.
Yes, at some point, but you know it's okay. But let's make sure that this
I'll give you a stop loss if you don't want to use the scanner one. The scanner one big. Yeah, shoulders. Oh yeah, Ty. It's a head and shoulders on the M5. Shoulder, head, shoulders. I ain't even peep. Yo, Ty, you been in the lab. How you been in your academy? Yeah, head, fam, shoulder, head, shoulder. Ooh, wee. Oh,
Hey, yo.
Yeah, I see you. Hey,
You already know.
I see you. All right, so Cat, stop loss. So look, now Cat, look now. I entered at 90529, and I'm in profit right now. But I entered at 90529. The scanner is calling to stop at 9104. And that's based on these entries though. And that's like a, from where I entered at, that's like a, it's like a 48 pip stop loss. Now, that's OD for me. I don't really like that. Now, this is what I would do. Y'all ain't gotta listen to me, but that's what I would do. This is my last lower high point. If I was y'all, actually nah, I would put my stop loss above this wick. So I put my stop loss at 9067. Why? Let me go to the 1 hour. Yeah, this is where the wick. This is the high point. I will put my stop loss at 9067. So let me type it in the chat for y'all. And then y'all can pick y'all's take profits.
Take profit too. Let's go.
Y'all can pick whatever it takes. That's the scanner. The scanner, and shout out to the scanner and Ty.
Yeah, thank you, Ty. Appreciate you, chairwoman.
Oh yeah, chairwoman. That's chairwoman business right there. And it's going down. And it's going down. And it's going down. And it's going down. Now I'm probably gonna get a wick down here. I already know what's coming. This candle ain't gonna look like this. We're gonna get a nice little wick, maybe. But right now she going down. So if you enter as soon as I said sell, you in profit right now. Yeah. I bet. GJ. Okay. Now look at GJ. See why I didn't enter right here? We still ain't got no engulfing. Yeah. Still coming down. Yeah. Gotta make it support somewhere down here before we take it up. Look at the M15. Yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, like you see it clearly on here. So look, this is what's gonna be interesting. This is actually a lower high point. So you're gonna know for sure that GJ ready to go if price come down and make a high low point. Hell, even if price come down and make a double bottom, you're gonna know it's time to go. It's time to go up. That's why I tell you I wouldn't have entered over here. Price always gotta go down or go up. Got to. BJ. Oh, it is lit, fam. All right. So I'm gonna stay on for a minimum of 5 more minutes. Y'all, another trade y'all can take. Y'all see my line, right? If this candle stay like this in 5 minutes, y'all can sell EJ too. Euro JPY. Sorry, Euro JPY. Because this is gonna be the bearish the bearish engulfing I need and the lower high I need to continue with the sale. We're gonna sell it. And it broke. Oh my god.
Right. I've been in EJ forever.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh fam. So yeah. I'm gonna keep this up. We're gonna watch these too closely. See, you even got another bearish candle, right? So you know what I'm saying? It should start to really go down.
Yep. Got it.
Yeah, it should start to go down. It should start to go down. JPY, Euro JPY.
So mine.
All right, why y'all doing? Let me look and see what my Bay doing. Let's see what Bay doing.
$14.
Oh.
So let's calculate. How much profit you?
New traders. This right here is all USD. If I was a new trader, because I'm a somewhat veteran trader, and this is still my favorite pair. So if I was y'all, this right here, why is RUSD my favorite pair? Because RUSD is the smoothest pair in the Forex market. It moves the slowest. Yes, it can be born, but the structure on this bad boy right here is amazing.
So what are your other ones that you recommend? Can you type that in the chat real quick? For the new people with
Type it on the chat or on the screen right here.
on the screen.
I bet. I got two of them. I got two pairs that I would recommend for new traders. A.J.'s recommended. Y'all make sure I ain't missing 11 o'clock. Recommended. No, Jesus. No JPY pairs for newbies.
Oh, A.J. recommended it. Now you can't be saying all these acronyms.
Nah.
So it's not AUD, JPY, it's actually your name. Got it.
Yeah. Thank you. NZD, USD. These are the two. They move the smoothest, and they're correlated. So the Australian dollar to the US dollar, and the New Zealand dollar to the US dollar. From my knowledge, like they move extremely smooth. So you trying to? Now they move slow. They move super slow. Lord, gee, they move slow. But when they move, like they move, and they're not manipulated like that. It's not a whole bunch of institutional candle bull going on. Like they move smooth. Like you don't even see. Like look, where are the spikes? There ain't really no crazy spikes. You know what I'm saying? Like they move smooth.
Which one you get your 1500 on?
Oh gosh. That was Euro Jappy or Euro JPY. Yeah, that was Euro JPY. All right, y'all. If this candle closes like this in a minute and 36 seconds, then we're about to sell Euro JPY too. I'll type in the group to take profits because I think I still. Let me type in the group to take profits for your JPY. So we'll have them. I still got it. Yes. All right, boom. Y'all, I'm gonna type to take profits out, but only take these take profits if this candle, I'm gonna tell y'all when to sell it. I'm just gonna put the take profits in here. So y'all pick. Oh, it's going down.
Absolutely.
It's going. CAD TP, CAD. Go to the scanner to FX choice, the sharp, and you can pick one of these for your take profit.
Yeah.
Hold on, Cat. Where we at? Let's get sell EJ. Look at Andrew. Andrew over here going in. So look. Andrew, look at the candle. Look at the candle, y'all. So even if it engulfs that one and that one, lower high point, right? Sell it, right? Lower high point, engulf both. I just want to see it engulf that one, but it engulf that one, and we got these wicks up top that indicate bias exhaustion. We lit. Let's get it.
Wait, no. You gave us a take profit, right? Yeah, what's
the
take profit?
119.8. Yeah, take profit 2 is 119.4. Take profit 3 is 119.0.
And this isn't on.
No, this is
This is AJ.
Olivia posted.
Is it Olivia?
Yeah, Olivia posted. Yeah, it's lit.
And this one's a buy. No, this is a
This is a girl.
no.
But be mad. Y'all sold EJ. Y'all sold Euro Jappy, right? Sell Euro Jappy and sell Oddcat.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I did that. Okay, so I make $14 off of that. And this Euro Jappy. Right into that. That was 120.189. That's what I entered.
Where?
120.189 on the
Oh yeah.
and I entered.
How many positions you got? How many positions you got? How many positions you got right now?
Open?
Yes.
Down?
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But my margin is freaking lit though.
Okay, good.
Because tomorrow I'm selling gold. Okay, make sure y'all sell gold tomorrow. Not sell. Make sure y'all look at gold tomorrow at 8:15. See what direction it's going.
Oh yeah, I'm setting my alarm. Yeah, y'all make sure y'all get up if you can at 8 o'clock to get them gold pips. They tell me that gold be moving 100 pips every morning.
8:15.
So set your alarms. Buy some Dr. Kathy tonight.
Yeah.
Buy us at 1:30. Dr. Kathy at what, 3 a.m., 5 p.m., 5 a.m., 3 and 5, or just 3?
3 and 5.
3 a.m. and 5 a.m. Dr. Kathy. I actually woke up for the first time and got with Dr. Kathy this morning. She was talking about how she was making grits and drinking coffee. So about, you know, a lot of good stuff. So y'all get on with Boss and Dr. They be up all. We getting up all night catching pills.
Listen, that's why they make 6 figures every quarter.
It's a fact.
Go ahead. Go ahead. You don't get no break. It's broke.
Yo, when she wasn't at Boss, that was hilarious. That was hilarious. So yeah, y'all. Hopefully y'all took those trades that I called. Those are definitely gonna go in the direction that I said they are. Why? Because our analysis is I'm just playing, but not for real. Those should definitely go down. Our cash, yep, it's going down now. Euro JPY, it's going down now. GBP JPY. I'm waiting on support to get made, and then I'm probably gonna take this up too. So yeah.
You gonna drop that in the chat?
Yeah, I'm gonna drop it in the chat. So for those who are on the session right now, when I say buy GBP JPY, y'all know that this came from our session. Be ready. Don't over leverage too crazy. Risk management, super duper underrated aspect of trading that keeps you in the game for the long haul.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all use the proper risk management. And that's my time. We out.
All right, y'all. Good night.